Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about a diet which is one of the most popular among all diets. It's keto diet. Many people claim that keto diet can make your weight loss journey more easier. But very less people talk about its long-term health effects. Is that quick weight loss worth risking the possible health risks? And is keto the only effective way that can lead to weight loss? In this video, I'll explain what exactly research says about this in the simplest way possible. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay, let me explain why keto diet can cause fast weight loss. Understand this. When we eat normal foods, our body uses carbs for energy. These carbs are stored in the form of glycogen, which holds water. Now, when we start following keto diet, our carbs intake becomes very low, right? As a result, our body uses all the stored glycogen, and when glycogen breaks down, we lose water as well. This is the reason why when some people starts following keto diet, they can see quick weight loss within a week or two. Now, when all the glycogen are used, then our body starts using fat as a source of energy. And so, our liver converts fat into ketones, which provides energy. Research shows that this process can be effective for weight loss, but in the short term, for like 6 to 12 months. But when scientists followed people for a longer period of time, they found something important. After 2 years, the weight loss results due to keto diet was similar to that of normal calorie controlled diets. This means that keto diet can give you faster results, but it's not consistent. So basically, keto diet definitely can fasten the process of weight loss, but not for a longer period of time. If you want more information, then you can go through the research paper. Link is in the description. Now, let's talk about safety. Many clinical studies found that keto diet can help us in improving our blood sugar level and can reduce body fat up to years, which can help people with type 2 diabetes and obesity. This shows that keto diet can be helpful in some medical conditions, but only under the supervision of a health professional. However, researchers claimed that strong evidence of keto diet's safety for years among normal people is still limited. In fact, they warned that low-carb diet can lead to nutrient deficiencies because fruits, vegetables and whole grains are completely restricted. These foods also provide us fiber, vitamins and protective plant compounds, which we will not get if we are strictly following keto diet. Some studies suggest that following extreme long-term keto diet can put stress on our liver and it can also affect our glucose tolerance. While more human research is needed, these findings raise caution among scientists. So, it's like we are using a shortcut road. It definitely saves some time, but if the road is damaged, it can create problems. Scientists are still checking if keto's shortcut has some hidden long-term costs. We just have to wait for more research to come on keto diet. Many people believe that keto diet alone can help them in losing body fat. But many studies show that Mediterranean diets, balanced low calorie diets, and moderate low carb diets can give the same weight loss results when we control our total calorie intake. What it means is when our body burns energy, we lose fat. It does not matter what diet style we follow. Harvard researchers also said that it's not about what diet you follow, it's about how consistently you can follow it. Extreme diets may give you quick and positive results, but if you are not comfortable and consistent with it, then those benefits might just fade away within a few months. Many people do start following fad diets, but they stop following it once they are unable to do it due to many reasons like food cravings, which can occur if you are starving. And then, when you eat normal foods again, you gain those extra weight again. This is the reason why scientists believe in sustainability than strictness. It's like if you are sprinting instead of walking, then a time will come when you will get tired and then you will slow down. So it's better that you consistently walk instead of sprinting in order to get long-term better results, as both will lead you to the same destination. Sustainable eating works the same way. So, the $1,000,000 question is, are the possible long-term health risks for fast weight loss worth it? Let science find answer to it. But for now, choose that eating style which you can easily follow with proper consistency and discipline. Don't push yourselves to those fad diets and instead just follow a simple yet powerful diet that suits you and your body pretty well. And as we all know, simplicity is always better than luxury. If this video helped you in understanding keto diet beyond those social media hype, then do like this video and share it with your friends and family so that they also don't follow any fad diets blindly. Comment down below which topic you want next and subscribe my channel for more videos and press the bell icon to be updated. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, peace out and remember, wellness over everything. Thanks for watching.